Hello Year 4. Right, okay, we've done simple and compound sentences. Now it's our time to return to the complex sentence. So a complex sentence involves, a bit like a compound sentence, it's got two clauses. This time though we call them the main clause, that's one clause, and a subordinate clause. So our second clause is subordinate. That means that it needs the main clause to make sense. Okay, and we join these, just like with a compound sentence, we join them with conjunctions, but this time we use subordinating conjunctions, which show that the subordinate clause needs the main clause. So these include, this is not all of them, but there are a lot, but these are the ones that you might want to have a go at today. These are the ones that we've used in school before. These are the ones you're probably most familiar with. If, since, as, when, and so on. Okay, let's have a look at an example of a complex sentence then. Right, so remember, we need main clause, let's see whether we can spot it, subordinating conjunction to join our two clauses together, and a subordinate clause. That's our clause which gives us a bit more information, but it requires the main clause to make sense. So let's have a look at our main clause. So here we're going to be looking for a clause which has a subject or a noun and a verb in it, okay? A flock of colourful birds erupted into the air when the girl undid the clasp on her tired old handbag. Right, okay, so the verb I can spot, well, I've got erupted into the air. So each clause is just going to usually have about one verb. So a flock of colourful birds erupted into the air. That's one thing, that's the main thing that's going on here. So let's make that red because that's our main clause. That's the first piece of information and it's the main piece of information here. When, let's have a look again. Aha, when is one of our subordinating conjunctions. So let's make that one purple to make it nice and colour-coded, Year 4. So when the girl undid the clasp on her tired old handbag. So let's have a look for our verb. The girl undid, that's the action. She undid the clasp. So there's our verb, there's our subordinating clause. Colour that in. Brilliant. So we've got main clause, subordinating conjunction, when, subordinate clause, and it's got the verb undid. So you need to start with your main clause. What's the main piece of information you want to tell the reader? And what extra information do you want to tell them? Here it's saying, when did they erupt? It happened when the girl undid the clasp of her tired old handbag. Remember to use your conjunctions here to help you. Have a go at using the video. It's a really nice video. I really love this one. Have a go. See what you come up with. Good luck, Year 4. Off you go.